Oh, hello, everybody. Don't leave on me yet. Don't leave. Everybody, come back in. Come back in. Everybody. Hey, how's it going? Fred Krueger here. You probably remember me from this piece of shit you just watched there, Freddy's Dead: The Final Nightmare. Just wanted to come out and apologize on behalf of myself, Cheap Shots, and the entire cast and crew of this movie for what you just went through. That, hats off to you. That was quite, I mean, I can't take mine off because my head just kind of melted to it, but I would at least give you a doff of it for what you just endured. Especially you right there at about the 7th row or so, because your tits are magnificent. No, not you, your hot friend. Is that your boyfriend? Yeah, hey, just give me a call. Give me a call. I am killer in bed in more than one way, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I said I was killer in bed. Because I kill people in their sleep, and then, I slay the tang. I didn't get it. Anyway, hey, as a treat for slugging through it, here's a montage of better movies I was in. There's the wheelchair. Yeah, I killed a kid in a wheelchair with a wheelchair. Seems kind of like it's in poor taste now looking back, but what can I say? It's the 80s. You can get away with that kind of stuff. Because of the blow. There was a lot of blow done in the 80s. And that is really what this movie is a product of. Like, oh my god, we just did something. Just mountains of it. And like you can see, I have very fantastical powers. I can get a nose that's like titanically big and just, and oh dude. I don't even know what happened in 1988. It's not in there. Not in my memory. But yeah, so as a result, this happens. We get movies where I'm like, oh, great graphics. The graphics weren't really that great. That was like 8-bit at best. Ugh, don't even get me started. We did so much blow. And then we traveled and we did some shots in other countries. And they have much looser rules and more intense drugs. We snorted a line of ants that did blow themselves when we were in Korea. That was intense. I was doing a promotional gig with the Spice Girls. Now, not those Spice Girls. This was a McCormick advertising gig. I was there with a, black pepper and ground cayenne. They had a What You Really Want knockoff. It was stupid in hindsight. Why is the black Spice Girl scary? I feel like I'm scarier than a black girl, and I don't know what posh means. Anyway, hey, let's talk about this a little. That kid got pulled into a comic book. That guy that movie sucks, really. That was bad. More blow, what can I tell you? I mean, it's this or Tango and Cash in the 80s. What are you gonna do? What would you do? Which one did you do? Are you old enough to remember the 80s? Man, I remember when Wes Craven first called me. I think I was the kid from Good Burger right there dying. Wes Craven gave me a call. I was like, hey, you want to be a child killer? And I was like, yeah, sure. I got nothing going on. Yeah, then the paycheck came in. Dude, couldn't stop. Not Molester, by the way. Molester was the remake with Robert Downey, Haley Jr., fucking whatever his name was, which I got a lot of phone calls on. I am not a molester. I murder them. If you molest them, you have to register. This song's kind of a piece of shit. Who's singing this? Is this like Axl Rose on his After Guns N' Roses thing, or like Creed or something? Who's Creed? Is this Creed?
Iggy Pop.
What?
Iggy Pop.
The hell's Iggy Pop? Is that like a Japanese candy?
No.
Are you sure? I've had a lot of Japanese candy. I'm not a Japanese candy connoisseur. I'm pretty sure Iggy Pop. I'm gonna call my guy on this. Hold on, I'll just take it. God damn it. I'm represented by the same guy that represents Vern Troyer and Willow and Tron. No, those two midgets are just completely unrelated, by the way. He's not like a midget representative. God, is Blackberry a thing? God, that would be so useful for me, right? Blackberry is also, I could use this hand, third. Blackberry is also a delicious preserve. Like, if you use, like, apple jelly, I don't want anything to do with you, you fucking weirdo. Hey, you moochy, Jewy bastard, what's up? Hey, Iggy Pop, band or candy? What? I want new representatives. Hey, who represents Sidney Poitier? Poitier, what? No, it's Poitier. Okay, look, you are so fired. Guys, we're almost out of credits, so I gotta wrap this up. Thanks for coming out. Thanks for putting up with all this. Sweet dreams? Is that a Freddy kind of thing? I don't know. Just get the fuck out of here. Go buy some drinks, tip your waitstaff. Do not watch Friday the 13th. Happy Halloween.